Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Nick, got it! All right, Andre.
Underneath the arm pull. All right,
Got it!
Bobby.
Oh! Good
All
job.
right, Bobby.
One, two, three. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Focus, okay? Listen to Michael. If he says that you need to basically put your hands a little bit behind or whatever the case, choke up on the bat, put your foot behind, whatever you need to do. Just listen to the catcher and listen to the pitcher. Now remember, Ashley's a little on the fast side, right? So when she says ready pitch, that's where the ball is. Pow! Right away. Okay. So you make sure that you swing back, and as soon as you hear that base go up, just run as fast as you possibly can. That's all you can say, okay? I know you guys are new at this, but you guys are going to do extremely well. Lightning! Strike! Lightning! Strike! Lightning! Woo! Let's take them out. Base check. I can do that. Not your bomb. Good check.
Set. Ready. Pitch.
Oh! Fish! Say! Yeah.
Ready. Pitch.
Right! Oh, wow. Okay.
Pitch.
Great swing. Oh, it's swing.
Good swing, though. Good swing.
Nice straight swing.
Ready. Pitch.
Great swing.
Casey won.
Another roll on the board for the New Jersey Lightning. The score now is New Jersey Lightning 2 and the Metro Police nothing.
Outstanding! Way to go, Sean. Vega!
I'm Emily. I'm here today in Camden, right at Poynte Elementary School, and watching all the games.
It's got to be over in this area because I don't hear anybody talking on the right over this area. Right. Come on.
There you go. All right. That's what take it with you. Come on, Lewis, I got faith in you. Do the worm. There you go. Worm and under. Come on, Captain America. Competition, folks. This is intense. I can feel the laser beams coming out of his eyes. Look at that fire coming out of Lewis's eyes. He's breathing heavy. This is tough competition. Come on, Lewis. Hold in there tight. Don't flinch. Go ahead. Oh, don't touch him. Don't touch him. Hold tight on his shirt. You can do it. I know Lewis is tough, but you can get him. There you go, Lewis. Come on, Lewis. Stay in there. Keep your breathing regular. This is getting good. Uh-oh, officer starting to breathe heavy. Stay with it, Lewis. I think he can take him. Come on, Lewis. Oh, this is intense. Lewis's face is turning into stone. It is cold, hard stone. Look at this battle. Oh, my goodness. Go ahead, Lewis. Uh-oh. Officer Jerk is looking funny. He almost smiled. He's almost smiling. Keep it straight. Come on, Lewis. You can do it. Oh, this is getting intense. Uh-oh, Lewis is pushing it. Oh, yeah. Look at this intimidation factor. Come on, Lewis. You can take the money. Stay with it, Officer Shirt. Come on, don't let him get you. Oh, look at Lewis. He's got that chest full of air. Stay with it, buddy. That's it. Look up on the side of the eye. Look on the left side. Look on the right. Oh, this is getting intense. Lewis is even, I don't even know if Lewis is breathing anymore. Lewis, you still breathing? Yeah, I think he's breathing. Uh-oh, he's holding his own there. He's doing pretty good. Oh, no! Oh, Lewis! Oh, buddy, Lewis! You gotta shake his hand, Lewis. You gotta shake his hand. There you go. I don't know.